Hey, what's up guys? Coach Tadris here from runtothebestshoe.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a grain-free Stromboli, because runners got to eat. Let's go. Get those coals lit up. 20 minutes or so. Ingredients, baby. Woo! Make a bacon weave. Flatten out your Italian sausage with a rolling pin. Place it right over top of that bacon weave. Stuff that bad boy with your favorite ingredients. It can be peppers, onions, jalapenos, pepper jack cheese, whatever you want. Let's do it. Here we want to make sure every side is closed up. We rolled it all up. We got everything sealed, both ends. Boom, sealed. Oh, that's what it looks like on top. I'm gonna throw one secret ingredient on top of this. What? Pineapples, a little Hawaiian flavor. Woo! The grill is about 450 degrees. All the coals is to one side. No coals on the side where the meat is. Let's go ahead and close this lid. Come back and check on it in about 30, 40 minutes. 30 minutes in. Currently cooking to perfection. Time to spin it. Okay, finished product. The Coach Tadris grainless Stromboli. Yeah, it got pineapples on it. A little Hawaiian kick for y'all. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Would you look at that melty cheese, pepperoni, no bread, little Italian sausage on the outside, bacon cooked to perfection. It actually took a while to smoke on the grill. It took about an hour and a half, hour 40 minutes or so. All right, it's time to dig in, man. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. You never know who may be inspired by it. And for more tips and strategies, head over to runtothebestshoe.com and check out our podcast. It's time to eat.